2015 Dodge Challenger V6. All we did on it, still got stock converters there and there. Comes with a factory X pipe. We deleted the two mid mufflers or mid resonators and left the rear mufflers right there, right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There it is. That's what it looks like. Give it gas. You want more than that?
Nah, that's too deep, man. Nah, that's good. That's all I want.
Back it up.
If I want it deeper, I'll come back.
Yeah, we can always cut the back too well.
Okay.
Flowmasters, 175 to 225. Yeah. All right, put it in park and give it gas again. '13 Dodge Challenger V6. Still got the stock converters. Got a factory X pipe. Still got the factory resonators or mid mufflers. And we did a rear muffler delete and kept the stock tips. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Here it is right there and right there. That's what it looks like in the middle. So if you have one, you should do that if you don't want a lot of sound, just a nice detail. 2016 Dodge Challenger V6 muffler delete. Too much traffic. Get on it good. '16 Dodge Challenger V6. What we've done on it today, it's still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then somebody else did a resonator delete on it earlier. Right there, or mid muffler delete. And we did a rear muffler delete on the back, right there and right there. And that's all. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. And it's true dual from the factory, as you guys can see. There it is, right there and right there. And it comes with the tips are built into the bumper. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2016 Dodge Challenger. There's the mufflers right there that we took off. at idle too. ...2016 Dodge Challenger V6. What we got done on it, still got the factory converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe. And we put two we used to have straight pipes on it. Customer stated it's too loud, so went ahead and put two glass packs on it. AP glass packs. If you wanna purchase them, just look in the description for a link. And then we did a muffler delete earlier, like last week actually. And then he came back, it was a little bit too loud. So we put the glass packs on it to quiet it down a little bit. Get it a little bit, still get the roar without the raspiness. And that's what the glass packs look like. Look like bullets almost. I'll let you guys hear them. Thank you. Still get the sound, but not the raspiness of it. Again. 2016 Dodge Challenger V6. ...2016 Dodge Challenger V6. Still got the stock converters right there and right there. He brought it in all straight piped. He said it was too loud, too raspy. So we put two Magnaflow magnapacks on it right there. And already had the rear mufflers deleted already right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a minute, see how you guys like it. He just bought it, so. And he loves our work. Nice and deep. 'Cause they take all the raspiness out. Just keep that tone.